Combination, not a bad call. It's going to be interesting to see how they go about. They just need 7 to win.
I think this is a very good choice. Two players have scored runs on the day, left-hand, right-hand combination. Couldn't have asked better. And I'm with you, Maza, when you said Ripon Mondal, he should be the one. He's a match winner from semi-final, has the confidence. All well today as well, 25 for 3 of his 4 overs. Definitely he should be the one.
Saad Masood will be up against someone like Ripon Mondal, who bowls those Yorkers to perfection. They need 7 to win. Ripon Mondal will be eyeing those block hole right from the word go.
Interestingly, Saad Masood is going to strike. Right-hand batter, Sadakat, the highest run getter in the tournament, is on to play in the super over, chasing 7 runs and isn't facing.
Ripon Mondal, can he rips through Pakistan Shaheens? He's been excellent, certainly the find of the season for Bangladesh. To make history or create history. The 4 fielders in the circle, short third, short fine, power point and extra cover. Here comes Ripon. Yorker straight away, bang on the money. Could be going down the leg side. The umpire will signal for a leg bye.
Yeah, what a start. Pretty much expected though from Ripon to eye those block hole. Yeah, from Bangladesh's point of view, a couple of dot deliveries might put the Pakistani batters under some sort of pressure.
Dot balls and preferably a wicket. That is what Bangladesh would be looking for. And for Pakistan, they need to know it's just 1 hit away.
Into reverse swing.
And for Pakistan, they need to know it's just 1 hit away.
Into reverse swing, was tailing back in to the right hander, which will go away from the left-handed Mas Sadakat. Field remains the same. In the slot. Was excellent by Ripon Mondal, off his own bowling, following through, trying to take the stumps off at the non-strikers end.
How good Ripon has been. On the target, under pressure, delivering the goods. Brilliant execution of the Yorker length delivery. Time and again, when Bangladesh has required, he has come up with the goods.
Great control, must say. Never easy bowling those Yorkers. And he's bowled 2 on 2. Here comes Ripon.
Full toss, fine leg in the circle. That's a dangerous line to bowl. And Saad Masood, a good pace of that. That went like a bullet to the boundary. Saad Masood, a good pace of that. That went like a bullet to the boundary. And Sufyan Mukim, he has to remember there's 1 more run to be made.
That is excitement. He ran as if Pakistan had won the trophy already. Ball back from the ring. Look at him. Look at the dressing room enjoying. They know they require 1 now. And Bangladesh would require a miracle.
It was lovely to see him sprinting in almost to the 30-yard circle. He was asked to go back. It was lovely to see him sprinting in almost to the 30-yard circle. He was asked to go back. He went with the swing. And Pakistan Shahis, they can sense it. It's just 1 run away.
No more drama required. Yes, Ripon.
Oh, inside edge and misses the stumps. And with that, Pakistan Shaheens wins. Oh, inside edge and misses the stumps. And with that, Pakistan Shaheens wins it in the super over. They become the only side to win this particular competition 3 times out of 7. Shaheens are the best team by far, remain unbeaten right throughout.
Great scenes there in the ground. The Pakistan players run out. They celebrate this win. Wonderful defense of a total which was far less than what was expected of them. 100